Hey, what's up, guys? This is Dan with Destruction RC, holding the Haiboxing 2995 desert truck, desert racer, I think they call it. But anyway, we got this truck a week or two ago. Been having some fun with it. There were probably about 17,000 unboxing videos of this truck, so we decided not to do an unboxing. We're just giving her some bashing. So check it out. Hope you guys like it.
Disclaimer, we did take the spare wheel off. It just sat back here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be.
I guess it looks cool, but it adds weight, so it kills battery, it makes it go slower. So we took it off. You beat me. So you did that. Let's see if I get you back over, buddy. It is fast.